Hi, we are Laura Barber and Claudia Perez, and we're here to talk to you about the Taipei 101. Taipei, officially known as Taipei City, is the capital of the Republic of China. Situated at the northern tip of the island of Taiwan, Taipei is located on the Tangsu River. It is the home of over 2.5 million people, turning into the country's political, economic, and cultural center. The Taipei 101 is also known as the Taipei World Financial Center. It is located in the Xinyi district in Taipei, Taiwan. The building was built by the architect C.Y. Lee and Partners. It has 101 floors above the ground and 5 floors underground. The first 6 floors of the building count with a multi-level shopping mall, restaurants, clubs, and beyond that it is an office building. An interesting fact of the building is that it was designed to withstand typhoons and earthquakes because of the tune mass damper, or also known as a harmonic absorber, of 680 tons, located in the 92nd floor, which is a device mounted in the structure to reduce mechanical vibrations of the building. The application of this kind of structure can prevent discomfort, damage, or structural failure. The main structure of the building is based on 8 mega columns made of reinforced concrete and 16 columns made of steel. The stability of the building is crucial because of its height. It also has 601 columns above the floor, and the foundation has 3.5 meters density made of concrete. The building is made to support high-speed winds and high-scale earthquakes. All the materials of the building can be recycled. The Taipei 101 uses the following materials: concrete, steel, and glass. Concrete is a very contaminating material because of the dust and gases that are produced in the entire process of extraction, fabrication, transportation, use, and demolishing. Also, concrete is not an easy material to recycle, because once the concrete sets and dries, it is impossible for it to regain its original properties. However, it is possible to recuperate some of the concrete using different techniques. Steel. Steel is a very green material. It is 100% recyclable without losing its properties. That's why most of the steel used in construction comes from recycled material. This is the case of the Taipei 101. The glass. It is 100% recyclable, so if the construction is eventually demolished or restored, this material will have use in another place. However, the glass used in this building does not come from recycled material. The Taipei 101 in 2004 was ranked as the world's tallest building until the opening of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai in 2010. In July of 2011, the building was awarded with LEED. This means Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, and after that it became the tallest and largest green building in the world. The building has several eco-friendly systems, equipment such as a double low-E glass corning wall, an energy management and control system, an indoor environment quality control, a gray water system, drinking water system, and lighting control and energy saving.
The management of the building also has a non-smoking environment, garbage separation, and recycling, and it also has energy and water saving measures. The lighting measures consist on having LED lights and regulating lighting schedules, which in the end the building saves 3.3 million kilowatts per year. The building saves 770,000 kilowatts of energy annually by optimizing the schedule of the ventilation system and the air conditioning on the building. Every year, the Taipei 101 saves about 28,000 tons of water. This is possible because of the different measures taken by the building managers, including the installation of water-saving devices in the faucets, toilets, and urinals. It also has rainwater collection, which is filtered and used in the sprinkler system. Last but not least, the recycling system is also very important to the construction. As mentioned before, they separate the garbage and recycle in 25 categories. Everything used in the facilities has an eco-friendly label, such as the toilet paper, cleaning products, and office equipment. Also, the dining facilities buy the 25% of their food ingredients grown close to the construction to reduce their carbon footprints in transportation. In conclusion, the building follows the 7 principles of sustainable design. First, the building was designed and built trying to use as many recycled materials as possible, but still fulfilling the structural requirements, therefore accommodating itself to the life cycle of said material. The biggest problem to solve by the architect was the fact that the city of Taipei is extremely windy and very likely to suffer from earthquakes, so it isn't the most ideal place for a skyscraper. To deal with this problem, the design includes a tune mass damper or a harmonic absorber. This system allowed the 501-meter building to stand under the environmental conditions, which include winds over 450 km per hour and movements of 7 grades in the Richter scale. The fourth principle talks about transparency. It's easy to see that the Taipei 101 was built around this principle, since the entire facade is made of glass. This principle is very important, especially in office buildings, because this transparency is usually a metaphor of the transparency of their business. Once the building was complete, the workers were carefully educated about how the building worked and how they could contribute to the energy saving and recycling process. The choice of material was made to accomplish extremely durability. All three of the materials behave well under the conditions of temperature and humidity of the environments, so it won't be necessary to replace or restore any of the parts for a very long time. In this way, the building is much longer lasting. Finally, the building managed to combine sustainability with simplicity in its design, therefore following the 7th principle.